بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوە هەردەم خوددا بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوە هەردەم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە.
Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine and having a good health inshallah. Today I'm explaining unit 17 for you. I hope you enjoy in this lesson. Now be with me. Unit 17, lesson 1. We have look and listen. Again student, we have a story. Let us listen to this story.
Students' Book, Unit 17, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
We're learning alphabet names. N is for nut and O is for orange.
Look at my kite. P is for parrot and Q is for queen.
R is for rabbit and S is for spider. T is for tiger, meow. And U is for up. Help! Come back, Kitty.
W is for window and V is for vase.
X, 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 box. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. The alphabet names.
Oh no! I'm falling!
Okay student, what we have from this pictures, can you see? We have the letters student, okay? Yes, look at Sam and Karen, they are playing with their kites. Look at, they are playing with their kites. And Karen say N for nut, O for orange, and okay, Sam say P is for parrot and Q is for queen. Picture 2, look at Laura and Kitty, they are playing with their balloons. Again, student, we have the letters on the balloons. Laura say R for rabbit, S is for soul. Okay, student, and T is for tiger. Kitty say A for up. Again, look at student, Kitty will be up. Picture 3, look at Karen and Laura. They say the alphabet is and the word is. Look at. And picture 4, we have all of the letters and the sound is. But what happened to Kitty? Kitty will be falling down. Okay, student, now we have listen and sing. We have the letters. Student, in this unit, we are from N till Z. Okay, student, now listen to the CDs.
Students' Book, Unit 17, Lesson 1. Listen and sing.
A and B and C and D, E and F and G, H and I and J, K and L and M, N and O and P and Q, R and S and T. G, H and I and J, K and L and M, N and O and P and Q, R and S and T, U and V and W, X and Y and Z. These are the names, the alphabet names. Let's sing the names again.
Let's sing the names again.
Okay, student, now I want to say the sound of these letters. Okay, student, now let us say the sounds. Please be with me. Can you say the sounds with me? Okay, let us say N, N, O, P, P, Qua, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you very much, student. Now we have Unit 17, Lesson 2, point and say. Again, student, look at, we have the letters and their pictures. Okay, student, can you point to the pictures and sing the letter sound is? Can you? Okay, now let us say the letters from these pictures. Okay, letter sound is N, nose, O, olive, P, parrot, Qua, quickly, R, ruler, S, spider, T, top, A, V, van, W, watch, X, fox, Y, yo-yo, Z, zip. Okay, student, now we have write and say. Look at, student, all of our friends, they are standing from the board and they are writing their name is student. Look at Karwan writing his name is Karwan, and also Avin write Avin, Kitty, but what happened to Kitty? Again, Kitty will be falling down, and Sam also, Laura. Okay, student, I want to remember you that when you are writing your names, you have to start from the capital letters, using the capital letters from the first letter, okay? For example, we have Karwan writing capital K, Karwan, and don't write it small k for the names, okay, student? And we have Avin, capital A, Avin. And also Kitty, capital K, Kitty. And student, we have Sam, capital S, Sam. And Laura, capital L. Okay, student, look at. These are all the capital letters, okay? They are capital letters. Don't forget, student, when you're writing your names, you have to start from the capital letters. Okay, student, now we have read. Let us read these words and look at their pictures, student. As I told you that when we want to read a word, we have to know the sounds of the letter, okay? We have to gathering the sounds of the letters so as to read the word. Look at number 1. We have to say jug, J, A, G, jug. P, O, T, pot. T, E, N, ten. L, E, G, leg. H, A, T, hat. H, E, N, hen. Okay, student, now we have Unit 17, Lesson 3. We have Listen and Sing. Okay, student, this is the song. Please listen to the song and hope you enjoy from this song.
Students' Book, Unit 17, Lesson 3. Listen and sing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the names, the alphabet names. Let's sing them all again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U.
V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the names, the alphabet names. Meow! Let's sing them all again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the names, the alphabet names. Let's sing them all again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U.
V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the names, the alphabet names. Meow! Let's sing them all again.
Okay, student, look at Foxy. Foxy is throwing all of the balls and we have the letters on the balls. Student, look at Sam and Laura. They are catching the balls. And what happened to Kitty? Look at Kitty again falling down. Okay, student, this is the end of the unit 17. I hope you enjoy from these lessons again. And please don't forget, you have to know the letters and the sounds. And I hope you again enjoy.
Sabi